Switching browsers can transform your browsing experience, and Vivaldi is designed for those who want complete control. Let me show you how to install it properly on Windows 11. To begin the installation process, open your current browser, whichever one you're using on your computer at the moment. Navigate to the search bar and type Vivaldi browser download, then press enter to initiate the search. From the search results that appear, click on the first result from vivaldi.com. This will take you to Vivaldi's official download page, where you'll find the download options clearly displayed. On this page, you'll notice a prominent download button. However, instead of clicking directly on this button, locate and click on the small drop-down icon positioned next to it. This drop-down menu will present you with multiple installer options tailored to different operating systems you may have on your machine. For this tutorial, since we're installing on Windows 11, go ahead and click on Windows 64-bit for Intel or AMD from the available options. The downloading process will begin immediately. Wait patiently until the download completes. This typically takes just a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download finishes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Then, double-click the installer file to launch the installation wizard and begin the setup process. This action will open the Vivaldi installation interface directly on your screen, presenting you with the setup options. So, locate Accept and Install button on the screen, then click it to agree to the terms and start the installation process. Now, it's crucial to maintain your internet connection during this phase. The installer operates by downloading all required Vivaldi browser components directly from Vivaldi's official servers as it progresses through the setup process. This approach ensures you receive the most current version of the browser with all necessary files and the latest security updates built in. When the installation reaches completion, you'll notice that a Vivaldi shortcut icon has been automatically added to your desktop, and the Vivaldi welcome screen will appear on your display. So, click Continue to proceed with the initial configuration settings. Keep in mind that these initial choices are not permanent. You can modify and customize them whenever you wish through the browser's settings menu. Congratulations! You now have Vivaldi browser successfully installed and ready to be used on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new browser.